Welcome to Lubera, the Swiss fruit and berry plant producers and breeders. My name is Markus Kobold, I'm founder and breeder of Lubera, and this year we are testing fruit, vegetables, tomatoes and aubergines, and this is our open field tomato test. We are testing about 20-30 varieties which are named, they're known as resistant for their resistance. So no protection planted beginning of June, no protection, no sprays, nothing. We have even planted them in the middle of an orchard so that no wind is coming in, and then the leaves now in August, September, we have now the 20th of September, are always wet between 4 o'clock in the afternoon and 10 o'clock in the morning. So high pressure of late blight and alternaria. One of the best big fruited varieties is this one, Phantasio. It's fantastically green, still growing. It would be a little bit higher because it was sinking down because of the weight of the big crop. It's a little bit late, so you have to plant it as early as possible in a big plant, the best in a 1.3 liter plant by Lubera, and then it's cropping like crazy, big tomatoes outside. Another advantage, it's not cracking. Many other big fruited varieties here in our test are cracking when it's raining. Not this one, not Phantasio. So it's really a fantastic tomato for the open field production in your garden without any protection. Really an easy tomato for your garden, because it's always a little bit complicated to do all this work to protect your tomatoes. Not necessary for Phantasio. Phantasio has a very firm flesh. It's not too juicy, but good to eat. Firm to beat into it, and it has a very nice acidity. So a very nice tomato to eat with a firm flesh. Go on gardening and plant next year Phantasio, the best resistant big fruited tomato. Where have all the flowers gone? I know where. Here you go to Lubera UK with all our breedings and thousands of more plants. Here you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and now pick the flowers.